As we ended last time, we mentioned that we will be talking about moral theories, a particular kind of moral theories. Not value theory in general, but we're going to be worried about what I call the theory of obligation. And we see what it focuses on is actions. And a very brief word is at least worthwhile mentioning with respect to actions. That is, what exactly are we talking about? And when we're talking about what is an action, it's really sort of a very basic idea. I could really spend a lot of time on it, but very simply understood, it's just something that is done by a person or some group of individuals. I'll give you some examples of things that are actions and things that are not actions. That is, if I walk over and push you, that's something that I did. I did consciously, presumably. I came over and I pushed you, so it's an action on my part. Now, there are other things that I do with my body that aren't actions. That is, for example, if I am scratching my nose because I have the itch, oftentimes, that might have been an action because I was doing it on purpose to demonstrate a point. But if I just find myself scratching my nose because it itches, it's just something that happened. So just to make sure we have the distinction. So if I walked over to you, I grabbed your hand, I grabbed your arm, and I hit somebody else with it, that would not be an action on your part, even though it was a bodily movement. By contrast, you're hitting somebody yourself of your own volition would be an action. So our moral theories are going to be theories talking about people's obligations with respect to the things that they consciously do, usually with certain amount of intent.